officer, who is a 14-year veteran of the department, was in downtown Dallas. He was attending a nearby conference at the time. Witnesses say that the man was wearing headsets when he was struck.
The next thing you see is just he takes a step and the train just woof and just like he holds him like the side, like kind of, you know, pins him up against the train.
Once he stopped, I went over and grabbed his leg, took his pulse. We thought he was dead. He didn't move for probably 3 minutes, and then he started moaning. He crawled out. We helped him out. He couldn't walk very well, as you can imagine.
Officer was taken over to Baylor in stable condition. That's the latest check on the condition. DPD says Darke Police will be handling the investigation as to what happened here. New at 6, residents in